Nursery, planting, and maintenance on drip irrigation system. Tools and materials: seed tray, husk charcoal, and tomato seeds. Fulfill the tray with husk charcoal, then flatten it, watering it evenly so that the media gets wet. Doing the practical perforation by stacking the seed tray and then pressing it. Insert the seeds into the planting hole using tweezer. Then cover them again with husk charcoal. Water the seed tray again. Arrange the seed trays in the nursery, then cover them with used sacks. Open the cover when it has been 7 days or early leaves appear. Maintenance at the nursery. Drip irrigation planting. Tools and materials: plants, poly bag and husk charcoal, drip irrigation system. Put the roasted husk into the poly bag up to 3/4 of the height of the poly bag. Put the plant seeds in poly bag, right in the middle, until it is close to the base of the stem. Insert the drip irrigation PE hose into the husk. Drip irrigation maintenance. First, check the nutrient temperature. Second, check the nutrient concentration. Third, check the nutrient pH regularly. 4. Check the condition of the installation periodically. Fifth, check the temperature, light, and humidity of the screen house.